Variable traders, Brendon D here, giving you another recap on CAG, then a brief look at I. So I was looking at two stocks closely today during the pre-market, CAG and TUSK. Now TUSK did not move until around 15-20 minutes after the open, so was not focusing on that. Now CAG had a nice opening range breakdown, as you can see. First, we can look at the pre-market levels, 36.50 from right here, 200 SMA at 36.40 right here. We like that. To the upside, the 37 on the 200 SMA right there, and then some topside levels that we will look at if the stock is strong and bullish. However, I thought it was to the short side because it gapped down, obviously. So, I mean, there's other levels down here that we can take a poke at. But I'm a modest guy that likes to go heavier with larger size on more modest targets rather than lighter and then scale out and let the trades work out, just because I'm trying to build a small account. Now, if I was like Rob H. or Andrew or Brian with larger accounts, I would scale out probably with a larger share size. But looking at CAG, we see opening range, not bad. I mean, we have some little bit of wicks here, small full body. Probably near the consolidation level of pre-market. Don't mind that, near the wick, so that checks out. Now I went short at the break of the wick of the 5-minute opening range. So classic level that Andrew, a strategy that Andrew teaches. And I went a little early before VWAP, but because I went during the C level of the ABCD pattern that we saw here. I mean, this is a classic reverse ABCD to the downside. And it broke VWAP, and I saw that it was punching through at 36.50. Happened so fast, just did not even cover then. And then covered at 36.40, which was a daily level on the 200 SMA, and said, you know what, I mean, I'm a guy that goes heavy size, so I said that's enough's enough, and then it just did the drip to the downside pretty much all day long until the close. But that's just my strategy. I mean, you guys could scale out here and then scale up maybe at another level, there on the daily, and then maybe there on the daily. I mean, this is huge. I mean, this is an average to range is larger than any of the stuff that happened on the daily for the past few months. So, I mean, this is unusual. Yeah, the gap down was unusual too, but I mean, it's just something where, do you want to sell a third, to sell or get rid of a half, and let the rest run? I did not, because it's just whoever strategy wants to work. So anyway, I'm going to take a quick look at I here, where I failed to stop out. And I really wish you guys will learn from this. I know a lot of new traders do not. They have a trouble stopping out. But I'm going to try to explain as best I can. So we saw I gapped up quite a bit. Saw level here at 29.59. Thought that could be a modest consolidation level that I can reach. And went long. There wasn't enough consolidation. I know Fernando pointed out that he likes a little more, and I probably should have listened to him, no doubt on that. And just wanted a quick pop, and I did get the pop to the long side above VWAP. But look at this. Let me just try to fix this here for you guys. The 1 minute chart showed. Let me show this a little clearer. Showed a 3 1 minute that failed to close above VWAP. I mean, if that doesn't show weakness, I don't know what does. Look at this. Failed to close above VWAP. This is this candle right here on the 5 minute. And the next 5 minute had a chance to get out right here. Did not get out. I don't know. I just wrote it to the long side, lost a couple points on my account. Really brutalized me, and this brought me back to square zero. But it's a lesson, guys, you have signals on the 1 minute, you have signals on the 5 minute, no close above VWAP, definitely a false breakout, and just get out and run it to the downside. There wasn't even much of a consolidation. Sure, a little bit of a 5 minute double bottom here, but it's not, I mean, it's a stock that went up a lot. It's a stock on the daily that gapped up and did not show particularly much strength. I mean, I had a larger wick a few days ago, struggling around $20. It wasn't a stock that you really. I wanted to get it to 20.59. That's why I held, and it didn't work out. So I had to ride to the long side. But I really should have stopped out at the 5 minute low, probably around 1975, and called it a day. but you know, it's just a weakness of mine stopping out. But anyway, guys, so listen, learn from my mistake, and just get out when there's signals on the 1 minute like this that show complete weakness. And see you guys tomorrow.